regarding my privacy naman po, I think it really just is with my family naman. As long as I keep my things private with my family, my friends, and whatever I'm feeling at the moment, I'm okay with it na. Parang, as long as I have that circle of friends that I can trust, as long as I have a circle of friends that I can lean on and I can come to and talk to when the time is needed, then I'm okay with my privacy.
Alright, as long as you have that strong
We
core.
came to PBB really just showing everyone who we are and what our stories is. So sa tingin ko naman, napakita ko naman po lahat. So I'm okay with it.
Alright, thank you, Charlie. So yeah, so Charlie stays true to her core. How about you, Will?
Ako naman po, yeah, same kay Charlie. Siyempre, pumasok kami sa loob ng bahay para ipakita, of course, kung sino talaga kami as a person na hindi nakikita ng mga tao sa labas nung kami nag-work lang syempre for teleserye, for film.
Yes.
Kasi ibang character yung pinoportray namin dun eh. Pero kung pag-uusapan naman natin yung privacy, of course, privacy is really, really important for us. Kasi yun yung isang bagay na nakakakuha kami ng rest. And nakakatuwa naman na kahit biniyayaan kami ng Panginoon nitong ganitong popularity, thank God. Nakakatuwa naman kasi yung mga fans talaga is very respectful. Na parang lahat talaga kami ako personally wala naman akong na-experience na gano'n na parang ini-invade na yung privacy ko. Nakakatuwa na yung pagsuportang binibigay at pagmamahal na binibigay nila is merong boundaries. Kaya yeah, happy lang talaga ako sa mga nangyayari ngayon.
That's good to know. Na parang at ease ka naman sa fans mo, sa supporters mo. Thank you, Will. So siguro, si AZ. What about you?
Yeah, for me, actually same with Charlie and Will. Like inside the house, I exposed so much about myself and yung family ko. And right now, same kami kay Will na wala akong naramdaman or na-experience na na-invade yung privacy ko. Sobrang at ease talaga ako with my fans. Sobrang respectful, sobrang supportive nila with everything that I do. Kaya sobrang happy ako na sila pa ngayong mismo. Nakikita ko nilang online na let's give her privacy, guys. Pero sobrang grateful ako for their support and that na sinasabi nila yun. Kaya I'm happy po. I'm happy.
That's beautiful, that they're all happy. Okay, sige. Lastly, of course, our big winner, Mika.
Ako naman po, actually even inside the house, meron naman po din kaming privacy na nire-reserve talaga sa sarili namin. Kasi I believe na hindi mo kailangan hubaran yung sarili mo to show who you really are. Dapat may reservation ka din sa mga information about your family, your personal life. So I guess sa loob ng bahay, na-start na din naman po namin siyang gawin. And even, especially here outside. Kasi ito na po yung totoong buhay. So mas kailangan namin protektahan kung ano yung mga dapat namin protektahan sa loob.
Tama. But I believe the house for you guys, bilang artista na kayo prior to coming in, was a good, I guess, training ground for you guys and for everyone in what to share, di ba? Okay, so that is again from Sir Ricky Gallardo. Now, let's move on. I'll be the one reading this question, pero this is in behalf